What's up, guys? Logan here from Royal Pools G2 Landscaping. Are you thinking about building a house in Northwest Indiana and possibly adding an in-ground swimming pool this summer? You might even be looking at neighborhoods like this one here in Maryville. Building a house is a huge project that comes with a plethora of considerations and road bumps that you'll face before you get to relax in your house. One consideration you might be having is, will an in-ground pool even fit in my backyard? If this sounds like you, you've come to the right place. You might be wondering, if I'm building a house, is it better to plan an in-ground pool before or after the house is finished being built? That's a great question. In this video, we're going to answer some frequently asked questions regarding in-ground pool construction while a house is being built. Now, if you're considering adding an in-ground pool to your new construction house this summer, do not decide on an installation time until you watch this video. Let's dive in. Number one, can you start building a pool before the house is completely built? Yes. Building a pool as the house is built is actually a great way to ensure that the swimming pool is up and ready by the time the house is completed. Number two, how big does my yard have to be in order to install an in-ground swimming pool? You can install a pool in just about any type of backyard, although your ability to do so will depend on things like the type of pool you want, your actual property size, as well as local building regulations. Number three, what's the best time during home construction to start building an in-ground swimming pool? The best time to start building an in-ground pool while a house is being built would be after the house foundation is set. Number four, where do the electrical and plumbing lines run to? Well, this depends on where your electrical and utility lines are located, as well as where you and your pool builder plan on placing the pool. Number five, will a pool fit between my house and the neighbor's house? Well, that depends on how close your house is to your neighbor's, as well as the type of pool you choose to install. Fiberglass pools are craned or manually brought into your backyard, meaning that too tight of a squeeze won't be able to accommodate a fiberglass pool. Additionally, too tight of a squeeze may also make it difficult to transfer concrete or vinyl liner pool building materials into your backyard. The sixth and final question, what kind of permits and regulations does my pool need to abide by? Your pool project will need to abide by local town codes and regulations, as well as homeowners association regulations if you happen to live under an HOA. There you have it, guys. We hope this video cleared up some confusion you might be having about building an in-ground pool alongside a new house. But now that you know that it can be done, are you ready to take the next step? Royal Pools G2 Landscaping builds fiberglass and vinyl liner pools throughout the region, including towns like Cherryville, Munster, Cedar Lake, and Dyer. If you're ready to dive in, you should definitely familiarize yourself with the cost of in-ground pools before committing. You can find links to an article and a video in the description below breaking down in-ground pool cost in 2026. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.